Hey viewers, welcome back to another video. Today me and Ian are going to be flying paper airplanes. So I already made one paper airplane for Iram here, as you can see.
Beautiful.
Okay. So I'm going to. This is kind of gonna be like a tutorial, so I'm gonna be showing how to make a paper airplane for those of you who don't know how. So first you make the paper horizontal. You don't stop. Then you fold it in half.
Wait.
Then you unfold it. Then you make a vertical. Take one of the corners on the top, fold it to the middle. Take the other top corner, fold it to the middle. Then you should have one big triangle in the middle. So let me just, okay. Then you turn it around, make a horizontal, and fold this bottom part to the top. Okay, now you take this corner, fold it, and just make this part straight. Then you fold it over again. Take that. And then turn it to the other side and just do the same thing. Fold it from this corner. Then again. Make the nose a little more straight.
It's straight, you didn't make it straight.
Look what happened to mine.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay if it's a little crumpled. It's still fly.
Okay, so now what you're gonna do?
You can always pause the video in the middle if I'm doing it too fast. So anyway, we're gonna fly them now.
Yeah.
Okay, so now they're gonna play with it.
Three,
You're gonna see.
Wait, I didn't count because I didn't do it. So it didn't count.
You're gonna see how
count,
hard
didn't
they
count.
can go with those planes, paper planes. Okay, which one?
Mine's in the farthest.
Okay,
I have 1 point.
1 point. Okay, do one by one. I think it's easier. Or do you want to do? Yeah, both together. Okay, Iram, do it. Oh, now Iram got 1 point.
I won.
Okay, do Raina. Don't run.
I win.
Just okay. Let me go this side. Maybe it's easier.
Okay, I'll go first.
Oh no,
It's
same
side.
place, same side. Both of
Yeah,
them
we
same.
have
No,
to
Okay, you have to go
Mine-
straight to the part, like straight
And
down.
Mine's,
Okay, wait,
mine's,
do it together.
Mine actually was a little far, so I get 1.
No, no, that's not. No, it's a tie.
We
Yeah.
both have
Rafan,
It keeps curving.
okay. You should try to put it.
Mine's the longest. Yeah.
Okay, let's switch to see if it's different. Just one round. Okay.
I want my normal. I want my normal.
Okay, fine.
I like mine.
Okay.
So who won? Oh, okay. Now let's see.
I
Okay.
have another point.
So you you have got 1 more point.
You had 2 points.
No.
No.
Try to Rafan, try to put it straight.
And I still got 4 points.
Yeah. Oh, you know what? Make another one. Rafan, you go make another one.
It's just gonna get crumpled again.
No, it's not going to be crumpled. Try to make another one. Look the way you did the first one. Yeah, go. Iram, go.
You want to continue mine. That was doing.
No, don't continue.
No.
Okay, Iram, come. You try with that one, Rafan one, and see if it goes good.
Okay. Ready, steady,
Come.
go.
Oh.
Whoa, that's cool.
Good, that's good.
Hey guys, wait.
Come closer, Iram. Don't go too far.
Hey.
Wow,
did you
that
saw it, guys?
was a nice
I
one.
was far and I was like, it was like going so far.
Hmm.
No.
Don't go too
listen-
far.
Don't listen to her.
You stand here. Come stand here and do it straight to the punch.
I think my guy can crumble too.
Okay, I'll make it straight. You do that other one.
I think you're just gonna crumble it more.
No.
I did this, but
Do it that way. That way is easier to the punch.
I really like it.
Okay, you want to try this?
No, this is not how to do it. Hold on.
Rafan,
No, it's fine.
you got it? Come, Iram, come.
No, I just made one for myself.
How is the one that you can continue?
Okay, go. Your one is fine.
Come.
Come on.
Let's do it. Come, quick.
I want you one.
No,
Okay, we'll make
it's
another one for you.
fine.
Just finish the game. Come.
Just waste your
I
paper.
want you one.
Oh yeah.
Why?
It's okay. We'll make another one
If
for
you
her.
just want one, then it's just waste.
No, it's fine. It's not waste.
Your turn.
Okay, let's see.
Your
Yeah.
turn. Why did you touch the nose?
Iram, your
just
turn.
Throw it.
To the porch.
Do it harder. Okay, I have 4 points.
She has 4.2, so both are tied.
Okay. You can come here.
Stand in the middle. Yeah.
I want to do it plain.
Okay, you want to do it in that plane? You
Wait,
can do
let-
it with
let
that
me
plane.
see.
Go get that one. Go get Rafan one and do it with that. Right? Yeah.
Hey.
Come. Get the stick and get it. Iram, try with Rafan. Yeah.
Drop Iram.
Okay, you were poking Rafan.
No, sorry.
Okay,
You
do it.
saw I was walking there.
It's fine. Do it again.
No, I wasn't even ready yet.
Okay, last
You
one.
just
Last
need
round.
more one because it's worse.
Both of you got 4-4. Same. Okay,
No,
4-4.
one is actually
I
really
got
harder.
5 points.
No, you have 4.
No, I have 5 points.
No, you have 4.
We have 5 points.
No, you
You're
have.
cheating.
No, you have 4.
No, you're cheating.
Don't
Okay, both
listen
of you
to
got
her.
4-4. Now finish the game. That's it.
I win.
Okay.
No. I
I
want to play
Both of you.
I win.
I
Yay!
want to play another round.
Both of you were tied. Go.
Your turn.
Okay, finish
Now
the
we
game.
both
now.
have 5 points.
Both has 5 points. You want to do more?
Yeah.
It's a tie.
Yeah, 5-5.
6 now.
I'm sorry, I have 6 points. You have 5.
No.
No, you have 5.
Okay, Rafan, go sit down
That
there.
didn't count.
Iram, go sit down. Rafan, go sit down there. Okay, go. No more.
subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you know when we upload a video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
I won the challenge.